The ACT220 automatic crimp tester features both destructive and non-destructive testing modes. Easily configure test programs through the menu interface. Save up to 26 test configurations into the tester. High-low set points allow for easy go, no-go verification. The tester automatically records a date and timestamp for each result. Data acquisition software is included with the tester. First, we will show a destructive test. Load the wire, then press start to begin the test. The wire will be pulled to failure and the peak force will be recorded. If the peak force exceeds 25 pounds force, the result will be OK. Go, no-go LED indicators will illuminate to indicate whether the brake exceeded the target force of 25 pounds. Next is an example of a non-destructive test. The tester will hold the wire at 25 pounds force for 5 seconds. Load the wire, then press start to begin the test. After the test is completed, the peak force will be held on the display. Go, no-go LED indicators will illuminate to indicate whether the wire was held at the target force for the duration of the test. Test configuration programming is easily accomplished through the menu. Select between keep or brake mode. Select a preset test speed. Select the target force value to hold at. Select the time to hold for. The tester also features an optional lock screen to prevent unauthorized modification of test settings. Save the test configuration and prepare for testing.